Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We'll be talking about car wash services today. So, whether you are the owner of a car and you're looking for the best services around that are available to offer, or maybe you are an entrepreneur that's eyeing the car wash industry, well, today stay tuned as I walk you through the various types of car washes available, their benefits, and of course, the current pricing. Now, in Nigeria, the car wash services have evolved over the years, but there are still some that remain supreme. So I'm going to be giving you the main types. The first is manual car washes. Now this one is traditional. It is done by hand using buckets, brushes, and maybe washcloths as well. And with hoses, you hold the hose and you go like that. So the second one is automated car washes. Now, automated car washes make use of machines that actually wash your car with minimal human intervention. So a human being still needs to operate them because there are buttons that need to be pushed and timed perfectly. But nonetheless, the machines are helping you majority of the way. Then the third one is mobile car wash services. So this one is an on-demand service that actually comes to your specific location. You can be in your house and they will come there with a van. They'll pull up and bring out all of their tools and do what needs to be done. The fourth one is detailing services. Now, detailing services is when comprehensive cleaning of both your interior and exterior is offered, and sometimes, most times, it includes waxing and polishing of your vehicle. Now, let's further break down how much you can expect to spend when you are using these various types of car wash services. The first one is manual car wash. Now, manual car washes are the most common in Nigeria, especially in urban areas. They are usually labor intensive, but they can be very thorough because a human being is doing it, and you can always instruct them to go back and fix up what needs to be fixed. Now, under this category, a basic wash, you can expect to spend between 1,500 naira to 3,000 naira. Now, you can also get a premium wash under this one. Now, a premium wash would include waxing and detailing, a little bit of detailing, and you can spend 5,000 naira to 8,000 naira. Then there's also something called fleet services. Now, fleet services is a viable option for businesses with plenty of vehicles because it's going to come with discounts to boot. So, number two is automated car washes. Now, automated car washes are gaining popularity in Nigeria, especially in urban centers. They offer speed and consistency. Now, let's bear in mind that under this one, we also have different packages. So, your standard automated wash is going for 2,000 naira to 5,000 naira. And then over here, you can also have something called an advanced package. Now, inside the advanced package is going to include waxing and something they call undercarriage cleaning. So they are going to clean the underneath of the car. That is pretty upscale, and only a machine can do that effectively without damaging the insides. So this one is going for 6,000 naira to 10,000 naira. Now, bear in mind that the prices may vary depending on the technology that is being used at your particular car wash, or sometimes the services that is offered. So our third one will be mobile car wash. Now, mobile car wash services offer convenience by coming to your location. That is where you are. You can be in your house and they will drive in a little van and come and meet you there. So this one is very ideal for a very busy individual that doesn't have the time to waste in traffic and everything and go and sit there. So under here, we've got a basic mobile wash package, can start from around 2,500 naira to 4,000 naira. Then we also have something they call the comprehensive mobile detailing. Now this one can start from 7,000 naira to 15,000 naira. Now bear in mind with this one that additional charges may apply based on your distance. So they are going to be calculating the kilometers and the fuel and the timing. All of that needs to be taken into account here. So our last one is detailing services. Now, detailing services go beyond regular washes. These ones focus on restoring your vehicle's appearance. So They deal with the nitty-gritty, maybe those little crevices to remove dust and things like that. That can be found here. So we have something called interior detailing, and interior detailing starts from 10,000 naira to 15,000 naira. And then we have exterior detailing. Exterior detailing is from 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira. And then we have a full detailing package starting from 20,000 naira to 30,000 naira. Now, for this one, prices can vary based on the size of your vehicle and the condition, because like I said, this one, they are going to spend a lot of time working on your car. So the bigger the car, the more time is spent. Now that we've covered the types of car wash services that you can find, now that takes me to, I've got tips for you on how to choose, how to choose your car washes. And tip number one is to consider the service type. So when I say the service type, you need to choose which one suits you. Do you want manual? Do you want automated? Or do you want mobile? Or do you want something more detailed? It all depends on you and your needs and your pockets, of course. The second tip is to once again consider the pricing. So ensure that it fits your budget, the particular service type that you're going for. And the third one is location. I mentioned location because proximity saves you time and transportation cost. You don't want to go to a car wash that is completely on the opposite side of Lagos, and then here you are at maybe Ekpe, and then you have to go all the way down to Ikeja. Consider that time is money. You don't have time to waste. So the last tip I have for you is check for additional services, because they also exist as well. So additional services can be things like cleaning of your engine and so on and so forth. So there you have it for my tips I've given you, and also the car wash services provided. That is a wrap on car wash services in general. So if you found this video helpful, hit the bell icon for more insightful content like this. Like, share, and subscribe. And you can also let us know your own personal car wash experiences in the comments. Was it something traumatic? Or maybe you even have recommendations of specific car washes you visited before that you would love to share with everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.